These chickens here, they can take a few steps and then they plop down. It's because they can't keep up with all the weight that they're carrying. That's normal. There's antibiotics that's put into the feed, and of course that passes through the chicken. The bacteria builds up a resistance, so antibiotics aren't working anymore. I have become allergic to all antibiotics and can't take them. When it's dark inside the houses, the chickens lay down. It's less resistance when they're being caught. Traditionally, it's been African American men. Now we're seeing more and more Latino catchers, undocumented workers, and from their point of view, they don't have any rights and they're just not going to complain. You know, the companies like these kind of workers. It doesn't matter if the chickens get sick, all of the chickens will go to the plant for processing. The companies keep the farmers under their thumb because of the debt that the farmers have. To build one poultry house is anywhere from $280,000 to $300,000 per house. And once you make your initial investment, the companies constantly come back with demands of upgrades for